Let's make Khandeshi Bharit. Start by washing and patting dry our green brinjals. Poke holes all over the brinjals to help them cook evenly. Lightly coat with oil. Now place them directly on the flame. Keep turning them to ensure even roasting. This will take about 5 to 7 minutes until they're soft and charred. Set them aside to cool slightly, then peel off the blackened skin. Mash the soft flesh into a pulp. Let's prepare our flavoring. Heat oil and fry green chilies and garlic until golden. Crush them after cooling. In a separate pan, add oil, mustard seeds, cumin, and our crushed chili garlic mixture. Add spring onions and peanuts for texture and flavor. Saute for a few minutes, then add more spring onions for freshness. Season with salt, add our mashed brinjal and fresh cilantro. Cover and let the flavors melt for just a minute. Your smoky, flavorful Khandeshi Bharit is ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Take care and happy cooking from P. Bhatt's Kitchen.